Our top 5 best gas grill. One number product. Char-Broil Performance 4-burner gas grill. The Char-Broil gas grill is big enough for a large family, but it's not an oversized backyard behemoth. The stainless steel gas grill is easy to control and it heats quickly. 4 burners provide perfect heat across the 425 square inch cooking surface. The drip tray is easy to remove and clean. And the design is compact and stylish, perfect for any suburban backyard. 2 number product. Weber Genesis 2E 315 3-burner natural gas grill. Natural gas grills are different from traditional propane grills. They are fueled by your natural gas utility line. Why use natural gas? Food tastes better when cooked with natural gas, and the grills are more efficient. Plus, you won't need to lug heavy propane tanks for refills. The Weber natural gas grill is the best cooker of its kind. 3 number product. Dual fuel combination charcoal gas grill. Can't pick between gas and charcoal. With the Blossoms combination grill you get it all. A gas grill with 3 burners on one side. A charcoal grill on the other. The gas side is slightly larger, with 295 square inches of space, compared to the 262 square inches of the charcoal side. That means this is a standard-sized charcoal grill with a smaller-sized gas grill. 4 number product. Weber Spirit 2E 210 2-burner liquid propane grill. This Weber gas grill is ideal for families of 4, with 360 square inches of grilling space. The Weber grill is well built and feels strong even on windy days. If you have young children racing around the yard, the lightweight Weber grill is pretty good at staying upright even when slightly pushed. Ignition is simple and dependable, and the grill heats up quickly. 5 number product. Char-Broil Portable 240 liquid propane gas grill. You won't find a better portable grill for less than $100. The Char-Broil gas grill is designed for camping and tailgating. This tabletop gas grill is sturdy and dependable. Hook it up to a 1-pound propane tank and you'll be making dogs and brats in no time. It can easily cook 5 burgers at a time. Thanks for watching this video.